Hello people. I thought I would discuss today A major in alternative fingerings. The alternative fingerings come in very handy when you're going to play bar chords, because it's very difficult to go from the standard A major fingering that most of us use to use as a bar chord. It just doesn't work. So the two alternatives that I prefer, one is to play the A major with two fingers. Okay? So that really doesn't prepare you for bar chords, but it's an alternative way of playing it that I find very comfortable. So what's happening is I'm covering the second fret of the D and the G string with my middle finger, and I'm covering the second fret of the B string with my ring finger, and that works for me because my fingers are very thick and I have a hard time doing this. Okay, and it still leaves my pinky free to do. I could always do that, lift my ring finger. I could also still use my pinky the same way anybody would do it, like this. Okay, so that's one alternative way of playing A major. The other alternative way is certainly for bar chords. So you want to use your ring finger, this digit where your fingernail is. You're going to have to bend back a little bit, so get used to this action. So when you put your ring finger up against the neck, you're going to be covering the second fret of the D string, the G string, and the B string. Alright? Now what's going to happen, you still get the same nice A chord, right? But now it leaves your pointer finger available to become the bar. So if you wanted to play an A sharp, which is also called B flat, all you got to do is move this unit up one fret, lay down the bar finger, which is your pointer, and you can play this a whole bunch of chords all the way up the neck for as far as your guitar will allow you to reach, or as far as you're comfortable. So basically what you have is this bar, then which is an A chord, becomes, let's say, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, D, C, C sharp, D, etc. So it works all around the neck for as far as you can do it. So remember, there's two alternative types of A. Two fingers, or if you're ready to play, or you're going to be playing bar chords in a song using an A-shaped bar chord, then again, be ready to bend this digit back. Make sure you get a nice clean sound. Whoop, yeah, nice clean sound. There you go. And then put the bar down. There you go. Hope this helps. Take it easy.